everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about spring trends, and one of the things that is very popular right now is that very nice bronze goddess look. But I wanted to do something a little bit more easier, something that I feel like everyone can do with what is in their makeup bag right now. So if you want to see how to transform yourself into plain Jane to golden goddess, let's get started.
Before we get started, I'm going to spray my face with the Fix and Finish setting spray, and then I'm going to apply the Mattifying Sheer Primer from BeCause Cosmetics all over my face. I call this liquid silk because it makes your face feel like silk. Next, I will apply the Prep and Smooth Eye Primer, and this just kind of helps lock in my eyeshadow and keeps my shadow from creasing throughout the day. Now, this is a step you can omit, but I'm going to color correct my face with the Brighten Up color corrector and the anti-redness. For my red spots, I dot the Brighten Up right under my eyes, and the green to counteract my red spots. Just blend it in a little bit with my finger. I find it just blends better that way. And when you blend with your hands or your fingers, you want to make sure you're using your ring finger because that applies the least amount of pressure. Now I'm taking the BeCause Cosmetics Hydrating Liquid Foundation, and I'm in the shade Medium Praline with the complexion brush, and I'm just blending that out. And you will just take this over all of that color corrector too, and that just helps bring your face all one shade like it's supposed to. And make sure you blend down the neck as well. Now I'm taking the Luminous Under Eye Concealer, also from BeCause Cosmetics, and I am putting like a check mark underneath my eyes. And this part right here you can omit as well. I'm just going to dot it on my chin, my nose, and the bridge of the nose, and on my forehead, just to kind of give a little bit of light right there, and then blend it out with a damp sponge.
I am going to let my concealer crease up a little bit and do my eyebrows off camera, and I will be right back.
And like magic, bam, eyebrows. Now we're going to set the under eyes with this pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room Matte About It translucent setting powder. And I like to take a fluffy brush and dip it in there, tap it out, then tap out any creases and apply the powder in a tapping motion versus buffing it out to keep my makeup in place. Next in my routine, I like to set my face with the BeCause Cosmetics Set and Extend Finishing Powder, and I use a big old fluffy brush to kind of press this into my skin. I absolutely love this powder because it absorbs 3 times its weight in sweat and oil, and it has kept my face looking so fresh, and like I just applied it even out and sweating out in like 90+ degree heat. It's amazing. Alright, so I'm going to contour my face with the Radiant Beige Contour Kit from BeCause Cosmetics, and when I contour, I start from the tip of my ear going down towards the outer corner of my lips and staying right where the end of my brow ends. Yeah. You can omit this contouring step. It's not really necessary for the look that we're doing, but I'm a little bit extra right now, so we're gonna contour the face a little bit. We're gonna place that contour right at my hairline and then blend it all out using a light pressure and circular motions. For my nose, I actually used a small little eyeshadow brush and just outlined the outside of the bridge of my nose, really. And we're just gonna blend it out. Blend, blend, blend. Once everything is nice and blended, we are going to go in with the Totally Tan bronzer and just buff that in where you contoured, but just a little bit on the edges. And just blend that out to your heart's content. And now I'm going to go in with the Apricot Flush blush, and this will just give you a nice kind of illuminating glow. And my favorite all-time highlighter is the Champagne Shine Spotlight Highlighter, and I will just draw this right on the cheekbone and blend it out with my finger going up towards the temple, putting it on the tip of my nose, blending that out, and anywhere on the high points of the face. Take the Champagne Shine highlighter and put it on my lid and blend it out with my finger. So I can take the Apricot Flush blush and put that all over my lid as well, just to give it a little pop of color. It's time to open up the eyes with the Staying Neutral Precision Gel Eyeliner, and then apply your mascara. I curl my lashes. I don't think there's any like tip or trick I can give you with those. Just don't pinch your eye. And yeah, you'll be all set to go. And don't poke yourself in the eye. I did in this video, but I edited it out. For lips today, we're going in with Try Me Tanya Rose from BeCause Cosmetics and the High Shine Liquid Lip Color.
Alright everyone, this is our finished look. We are looking nice and bronzed, and our skin looks radiant and fresh. If you liked this video, if you like this look, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I do upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and all the products that I used will be linked in the description below. And until next time, be beautiful. I love you guys. Have a safe and nice weekend, and I will see you on Monday.